Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this Diri Jon ak Pwa Frans ak Andwi, known as yellow rice with sweet peas and cured pork. The ingredients I'll be using today is 4 cups of parboiled basmati rice, 16 ounce or 2 cups of frozen sweet peas, spicy cured pork known as Andwi in Haitian Creole. I purchased this Andwi at the Haitian market. It comes in a little baggie. I only use half of the bag. I'm also using bijol coloring and seasoning. This will help give the rice the yellow color. 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons épices, ground clove, garlic powder, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, salt, habanero pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, as well as 8 cups of water. If you made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. To a hot pot, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once the avocado oil is heated through, I'm going to add the cured pork, also known as andwi. The cured pork is basically pork pieces that they chopped into small pieces, and they seasoned it with different types of spice and herbs, and they allow it to cure. I allow the cured pork meat to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. After the cured pork have been cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, I went ahead and I added my épices. To see a video on how I make my épices, you can find the link in the description box below. I do allow the épices to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes as well before adding ground clove, garlic powder, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, as well as the frozen peas that I did allow to thaw out. After all the seasonings, the cured pork as well as the sweet peas have been sauteing in this oil for a few minutes, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'll allow this 1 cup of water to cook with everything that's in a pot for about 5 minutes. To give this rice this nice yellow color once it's done cooking, I'm going to add the bijal coloring and seasoning. As you can see, it's like an orange color seasoning powder, but once you add it to the pot and allow it to cook, it'll give the rice a nice beautiful yellow color. I'll also add 7 cups of water, which makes a total of 8 cups of water that I'll be using to cook this pot of rice. After adding the water, I'll cover the pot with the lid and allow it to come up to a boil. While I'm waiting for the water to come up to a boil, I'll go ahead and clean the rice. I'll rinse it under cool water 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. Before adding the rice, I'll add the 2 habanero peppers that I have. If I had a bigger habanero pepper, I would just use once, but since these were small, I went ahead and I used 2. And I also give the liquid a taste to see if I need to make any adjustment. I did add some salt to taste, and I'll allow it to boil for a few minutes before adding the rice. I add the clean rice to the pot and I'll give it a quick stir, and I'll allow it to cook on medium-high until all the liquid has almost absorbed. This is how the rice look after 10 minutes of cooking on medium-high. I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll cover it with the lid and I'll lower the temperature to a medium-low. On my stove, I place it on number 4 and I'll allow that to cook for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, the rice is done cooking and this is how it looks. I want to say thank you for stopping by ATasteOfK. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Feel free to share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video.